Hello, today I'm coming to do an unboxing of 24/7 Japanese candy. Um, it's a bunch of delicious things in here I can't wait to try. And the first thing I'm pulling out the box, it says onion flavored rings. And I suppose they're like almost like Funyuns. So I'm going to open it up so I could give it a try. Sorry. Just a second. This is what they look like. They look delicious. It tastes awesome too. Delicious. There are some things I will not be able to actually tell you what it is. It's because with 24/7 Japanese candy, they give you a list of what you bought, but they don't give you an item description, and there's nothing in English. So I'm just going by, excuse me, of what I have here, okay? So just bear with me, you guys. These look delicious. Bourbon. I wonder what are these things. Hold on. On the paper of the list, it says, I guess it's just white Rolitas. I don't know what that is. Maybe some kind of, looks like white chocolate. Just a second, you guys. It's a biscuit. On the back it says biscuit. Yeah, so it's a biscuit. Let me open just a moment. Okay. This is what it looks like in a wrapper. This is what it looks like, sorry, when I take it out the wrapper. Not bad. It's like a biscuit covered in white chocolate. I'm sorry, the video's super bright today. I am so sorry about that. Let's see. I have no idea what this is. It look like they feel very hard. So it's like some type of candy. I could say it is. Let's see. That's not Kirby, is it? I'm sorry. The one when I said white Rolita, that's not what that was. Sorry. For the biscuit, it is just says biscuit. So it's a white chocolate covered biscuit. But the next thing I picked up was the hard candy. And I have no idea. It says mystery hard candy. I'm sorry for having my camera up that high. Sorry, I was busy paying attention to the paper. It's mystery hard candy. I don't know. I guess they all the same color, and you don't know what flavor you'll get at all. So, but I'm not about to open that right now. Sorry. Next thing is sour fruity pure gummy juicy peach flavor. Now this, I've seen people do it in other unboxings, and I cannot wait to try this. I am about to open this. I love sour candy. I really do. And gummies. I love gummies. My kids love sour candy. This is what it looked like. Yummo. This video is absolutely very bright. And sour it is. Delicious, but sour. Yeah, my kids really are going to love this, really. It's delicious. The next thing I am seeing in my box is I don't know. It says wheat cracker. It looks like it's covered in chocolate. So, I don't know if I want to open this or not, but I will for you guys. Okay, this is what it looks like. It's a good pack, one big pack. You gotta excuse me, I'm recording on my cell phone, and I only have one hand available. So, and let's see. Just a moment, you guys. Wow. Okay, this is what they look like. It's good. Just like a chocolate covered cookie. Some of them are like melted together. Wow. The kind of the gold. Kind of tastes grainy or something. Chocolate. It tastes dark chocolate. And so far, without tasting of that, I do not like it at all. This is Puka. I've seen these done. I've seen these done in another unboxing on YouTube. And what I gathered from the unboxing was there were pretzels in different shapes. And it has chocolate on the inside. Okay, expiration date. Okay. I'm not going to try everything, you guys. Sorry. This is Kirby. This is Kirby gum. Comes in different flavor. I do see a cherry soda. Looks like yogurt and orange flavor. I know it's the kind of gum you can mix and match to get different flavors. So, this be interesting to try with my children. Bubblegum. And the last two things I have in my box are corn pretz. I had these before, and I love them. My kids love them. They actually taste like real sweet corn. So, yeah, and that's it. This company, 24/7 Japanese Candy, does not have a subscription box. They used to, but now they're only doing mystery boxes. So, you could go in there and order a mystery box if you like. Or you could just order different random items from their website. The mystery boxes ship free. But if you order random items, I think it's like $5 shipping, no matter how many you order. And that's all, you guys. Thanks for tuning in, and thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and like my videos. Thank you. Bye.